FASHIONPHILE. So I wasn't planning on making a video today, but we got mail. So of course I had to get on here and show you what I got. I initially started opening the box here so that it wouldn't be so difficult to open on camera, but I wanted to show you guys what I got. So we're starting to check off some more items from my wish list. So this is a FASHIONPHILE purchase, and I'm really enjoying FASHIONPHILE. I'm finding a lot of good things on there. And unfortunately, well, when I got up this morning, they were having a sale, which is Lunar 100, Lunar 200, or Lunar 300, which is get 100, 200, or $300 off depending on how much you spend. Unfortunately, I didn't get that sale because I had already placed my order. But just to let you know that is out there right now. But of course, here is my little receipts. And they package everything so super cute. Here is a calendar. And of course, my little FASHIONPHILE file. I think that's so cute. And it's a really good file. Alright, so. If you saw my wish list video, then you can probably have a little idea of what this is. And the sticker says, used is the new. Of course, it is Chanel, and it is a tiny little box, so you probably know what it is. Let's open. Okay, and it comes in a FASHIONPHILE dust bag, but it does have the Chanel dust bag as well. And this is actually a new item. It has everything here with it. I got, ta-da! So I got the wallet on chain. So I finally got my wallet on chain that I've been wanting. And of course it is the one with the magnetic closure, if you can hear there. I said in my video that I wanted to get this one because it was just a little bit easier for me. And this one has pretty little zipper tabs as well. They do have the CCs on the zipper tabs, if you can see there. And oh wow, pretty. And this one too right here is the same way. And mine is in the gold hardware with, of course, authenticity card here. And this one is made in Italy. Alright, and of course, if you can see the grained leather. So this is a caviar piece. And I did want caviar because for me and my lifestyle, a wallet on chain will be just a grab and go piece, just for errands and things like that when I'm going to the grocery store or just something super quick. So I'm pretty sure that I will be casual, wearing casual attire as I usually am. And not just that, but because I normally throw my bags around, and I don't know, I just thought that caviar would be a better option for me. And here is just the FASHIONPHILE tag that says that if you clip it off, pretty much it's yours. But yeah, of course I'm gonna clip it off. But yeah, I'm super happy with this little bag here. Bag with my little wallet on chain. I'm really excited that I was finally able to get it this year and that I can finally cross it off of my list. I was thinking, at first I was thinking that I would do my purchases, you know, as the year went on. But now I'm thinking that I should just go ahead and buy as much as I can now just because I like to shop. And then as the year goes on, do reviews on the items. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Maybe I'll have more unboxings now and just do kind of reviews on them as the time goes by versus buying little by little and then doing the reviews, you know what I mean? So if I do see something that I like, I'm just gonna go ahead and buy it quicker rather than later, so that I can have it in my collection, and then I'll be able to show you guys and review it for you guys, you know, so I'll be able to carry it and have it for a while and then let you know what I think about it. But yeah, so that is pretty much it. I'm super happy with my little bag, and I'm glad I got the one that I wanted, everything that I wanted, the leather, the hardware, and the magnetic closure. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I will also be leaving you my Instagram handle down here so that you can go ahead and follow me over there if you wish to do so. As well, I will be leaving you 2 more videos linked on the screen so you can continue watching if you wish to do so. Like I always say, let's never forget to be kind to one another and never forget to be grateful. I will see you guys in my next one. Thanks.